Now I get a lot of questions related to the reporting in Jira, and these questions are mostly about which add-on to use, how to export issues out of Jira, and also whether it is advisable to use reporting within Jira using an app or an add-on, or do it outside Jira. So let me give you my thoughts and what I think uh, works really well for me. Now, when it comes to reporting, in most cases, I think you don't really need those reports to be real time. I guess it is good. I mean, when you're looking at simple things like issues assigned to me, it is nothing but a list of issues. Or if you're looking for how many issues are in progress or done, that you can anyways do when you go to the board, or when you're looking at, let us say, your burned on charts if you're talking about Jira software. But if you're doing something a bit more advanced, then I don't think you need like absolute real-time reporting. Now, talking about uh, apps, I personally prefer, and I have always preferred using EasyBI, which I think is probably one of the most powerful app that can actually solve a problem when it comes to reporting. And using EasyBI, you can create almost any kind of report. I mean, you can create reports that can show you information in a graphical format or in a tabular format. You can create dynamic reports. You can export reports in PDF. But again, EasyBI is also not real time. You have to configure the import and the frequency. So if you're looking at your reports in EasyBI, those reports, the data is not like real time at all, but it is close to real time. I mean, if you're on server, you can configure the frequency, which is great. I guess you can also do it on cloud if I remember correctly. But the point is that although you have good reporting with EasyBI and it is an app, you you can do wonderful reporting within Jira. But personally, I don't really mind doing the reporting outside Jira as well. So let us say if you have your own tool in the organization, maybe you are using Power BI or standard BI based tools, or maybe you prefer using Excel or Google Sheets or any spreadsheet uh, program, then you can also do it outside Jira as well. For example, I personally on my own Jira instances that I use for my own personal projects for development, or maybe if I'm doing anything which uh, I have been doing for a long time, I of course use Jira, and I do pay for it, by the way, just to be clear about it. I mean, I do have a paid license, 10 user license, and I guess I'll probably move it to cloud one day. I mean, I do have cloud instances, but when it comes to reporting on my old Jira server versions, on my old Jira server version, I basically export everything and dump it in Google Sheet. And the reason I use Google Sheet is because it is online, it is free, and I can do further reporting within Google Sheets. I can do things like I mean, I can do further automation and create some other reports using Google Apps Script, for example. So what I'm trying to say is that I don't really mind doing reporting outside Jira, mainly because I don't really want to pay for EasyBI unless my client is paying for it, or and at the same time, I don't mind looking at the reports which is showing me information which is not absolutely real time. I can wait. I don't really mind waiting. So in my opinion, if you can do better reporting outside Jira, then you should. And if you already have a tool like Power BI, or maybe in your organization you have some standard BI based tools that really works for you, and you already have a competency in the organization, then use that tool. You don't have to do reporting within Jira, because even with the help of EasyBI, those reports are not real time at all. Although if given a choice, if I have to pay, if I have the money to pay for it, or if I'm recommending it to a client that can afford it, I mean, although it is not really expensive, but in most cases it is obviously convenient to do reporting within Jira. especially because you can share those reports with any Jira user, because that is an add-on that works within Jira. Even on the cloud version or on the server version, you are looking at the reports that are not really taking you to a different tool. So you have pros and cons in both the approaches, but I would still say that do whatever works for you. Do whatever your organization is already doing when it comes to reporting. Usually in organizations there is a team who is responsible for doing reporting, and they already have tools, standard tools for doing that thing, doing those sort of things. And you can always have almost real-time reporting with Jira as well. I mean, if you are pulling the information from Jira, so you can always dump the information in an external database, or you can connect to Jira using REST API, for example. Power BI, I know it works. I think it has a connector. When I tried it long time back, it can connect to Jira instance, and it can pull the information out of Jira for you, and it can do it, of course, on a regular basis. So that is all I wanted to talk about reporting, of course, and I wanted to give you my opinion. There are pros and cons in both the approaches, and I don't really mind using EasyBI within Jira, which is my favorite app for reporting, and at the same time I also won't mind using Power BI or any other tool, or maybe for my personal reasons I use Spreadsheet, because at end of the day I want to analyze the data, and I can wait whether I do it within Jira or I do it outside Jira. That is not really a problem for me. So just wanted to give my thoughts on this topic. I hope it helped you and you learned something in case you are trying to do reporting within Jira. So that is all I wanted to talk about. Bye.